channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Sam. I forgot to film an intro, so this is me like 8-ish hours later filming my intro. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I'm starting out with the shade Palooza. This is from the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. So I'm just taking this in my crease and we're gonna blend it the heck out. Almost the whole way to my brow. But try to avoid the lid because we're not really doing a cut crease per se, like you could if you want to, but I don't really like doing cut creases, so I'm not doing that today. Now I'm taking the shade Trance, and we're gonna start just in the crease with this and then blending it out again. I'm gonna go back in with the fluffier brush to blend out the edges. And I'm just gonna keep darkening the crease until I'm happy with it, basically. Next, I'm going into the Aurora Lights palette, and I'm taking the shade Fluorescent, and on a flat brush with some Fix Plus, I'm just gonna start putting this on the center of my lid, kind of avoiding the outer portion and bringing it in. I'm going back in with the shade Trance, and I've got it on this like fluffy angled brush just so I can pack it on a little better. And we're taking that in the outer corner, and this will kind of mix with the pink and make a more purpley color. So we're just putting this in the outer portion of the eye and kind of going over that edge just to blend the two together. Then you can go back in with a fluffy brush to blend it out if the lines got too harsh. And I'm just going in with a little more of that fluorescent shade because we lost it a little bit. Back in the Weekend Festival palette, I'm taking the shade Neon, and I'm gonna put this right in my inner corner. And I'm kind of blending it up into that teal shade. And then I'm gonna spray my brush with some Fix Plus and taking a little bit more of that just to get some more shimmer and kind of stand out a bit more. Before I do the glitter, I'm going to go ahead and finish my under eye, going back in with the shade Palooza on the fluffy brush. We're just going to take this all under our eye and make sure to connect it right here. And I'm going back in with the shade Trance and also bringing that under my eye. Not quite smoking it out as far, but we still want it pretty blown out and just kind of soft. Now I'm taking SERAPHINE Botanicals Citrine Glow Glitter, and I'm going to start by putting some glitter glue just a little bit in that inner corner area. And since that's such a tiny little area, I'm going to use a cotton swab and just start packing it in there. And I'm just gonna quickly do a wing using my Kat Von D tattoo liner. My camera died, so all I did was finish up my liner, and then I'm adding some mascara now. This is Wonder Beauty's Unlashed mascara. It came in my BoxyCharm for this month. I've been trying to decide if I wanted something in my waterline, and I think red would look cool. So we're gonna do that. I'm using my Rhodile Suede Lips pencil thingy. As per usual, whenever I use this, I'm just gonna do a little disclaimer. I don't recommend this because I don't know if it's eye safe, but I've been using it for the longest time in my eyes and it's fine for me. So if you decide to, do it at your own risk. I think that looks kind of cool. It's like a pop of color. Before we finish off our eyes with some lashes, I'm going to finish my face, and I'm going to use this new highlighter from NABLA Cosmetics. It's their pressed highlighter in Wave. I used this for the first time yesterday and I really liked it, but I forgot to use their new little highlighting brush, so I'm going to test that out. Isn't that so pretty though? I forgot to highlight under my brow bone. Real quick, let's do that. I'm literally just gonna take the shade Ombre from the Aura Lights palette and put that on my brow bone. And this looks really cool because it mixes with the teal, and I don't know, it just gives like a duochrome effect kinda. Okay, back to highlighting. This is one of those highlighters that looks like your skin but better. And if you're wondering, this is part of their De Nude collection. Do you guys want me to do a video using that collection? I just used it all for the first time yesterday. I should have filmed a first impressions, but I forgot. But I really liked everything, so if you want, I can still film with it. For blush, I'm using this new one. It also came in my BoxyCharm. It's from Note. I've never heard of them before. And this is in the shade Desert Rose, but I'm literally not tapping into this. I'm gonna use what is excess from yesterday because I didn't realize it was extremely pigmented, and I like doused my brush in it. So we're just using the excess, but it's really pretty. I really like kind of peachy, rosy blushes, other than like pink, you know? I feel like I never actually show this part in my makeup routines, but whenever I'm done doing like all the powder kind of makeup, I go over my brows with the Brow Gel, just because I get so much powder stuck in them, and it kind of cleans that up but also puts them in place all day. For lashes today, I'm using Rouge and Rogue's Miss Fury lashes. I have a discount code with them. I'll put it on the screen right here or like in the description below. So let's just pretend that these lashes look hecka good and that I haven't struggled for the past 15-20 minutes trying to get the inner corners to stay down. I don't know what's going on. They're a new pair, but like, I don't know, they're really flat in the front area right here, and I can't get them to curve and stick. So we're just gonna ignore that they're like popping off and stuff, okay? And let's finish up this look with some lips. I want to try this new plushie from LIMECRIME in the shade Chocolate Milk, and it's like this taupey brown. But first I'm gonna line my lips with this Oak pencil from MAC. I also just think a like nudish lip would look best with this since the eyes are so crazy. So I'm just applying some, and then I'm gonna pat it out with my finger. And just because I feel like it, I'm gonna add a couple freckles. And this is my Milani brow tint pen in Natural Taupe. Alright guys, well this is the finished look. I really love how this turned out. I also think it's pretty easy of a look to do, you know? I don't know if you guys can see this look, but I think this is what I'll be filming next for you guys because you really wanted me to. But also let me know in the comments down below if you want me to film with the new NABLA Cosmetics De Nude collection, because I have a bunch of stuff from them. And I could do like a grungy kind of nudish look. That's basically what I did yesterday with it, and I thought it looked pretty good. And so yeah, just let me know if you guys want me to film that and any other looks you have requests for. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me for you to join my little place on YouTube. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll have it on the screen right here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!